What's up, guys? Welcome back to Unlockable Character. I know it's been a minute, all right? I needed a well-deserved rest. I've been up to a lot in the meantime. Excited to share with you what I've been up to, okay? So let's recap. 1 year, 1.5 years of consistent uploads on YouTube has got me to 58,000 subscribers. This POV style content, this authentic, true to yourself content has really pushed off, and I hope I've inspired a lot of you. I've seen a lot of you start YouTube channels. We have members in the Discord who have took delivery of their G82, G80s, and they've started their own YouTube channel. And that, it inspires me. I feel really proud to know that I'm helping people start their content journeys, okay? So what have I been up to? If you're in the Discord, you know we've been trading daily. We've been talking about AI. We've been talking about starting businesses. And for the past few months, I've had my head down, and I've actually launched a brand new company. It's called Northform AI. Okay, so this is going to be for personal injury lawyers. And let me know if you have a personal injury lawyer that you are aware of that wants to scale, that wants to grow. Because what Northform does is we take personal injury lawyers and we help them make sure that they show up on ChatGPT, on Google Gemini, and other AI search engines like Perplexity. Traditionally, people were using Google and Google search to find lawyers, services. Now, Google search is actually going down and people are turning to ChatGPT to figure out who was the best lawyer in their city, in their state, for personal injury, for car accidents, all sorts of things. And what we're trying to do, because we're a first mover, is make sure that personal injury lawyers who work with us show up as the top result in their city. Okay, so time is on our side. If you're a personal injury lawyer, you're seeing declining results from your existing ad spend on Google. So why not take that money and utilize it elsewhere? Okay, so that's where Northform comes in. And for those of you in the Discord, if you refer us a personal injury lawyer who signs up, you're gonna get $2,500 per personal injury lawyer that signs up with Northform. Okay, so that's just for Discord members. So what does that mean? How did I start a business? Let me tell you something. Starting the YouTube channel actually helped me find my business partner for Northform, okay? So my good friend Earth, we are now business partners. He actually came to me on YouTube, messaged out on Instagram. We both live in Midtown Atlanta. He's got a really sick Audi R8, started hanging out, started talking about business. He's already had an exit from a marketing agency, which means he's scaled. He grew an agency for social media marketing about 5-6 years ago, grew that business and sold it. Okay, so he's had a successful exit. He knows the marketing side. I know the AI side. We put our two heads together. We created an LLC, okay, and now we're utilizing AI in our own efforts to help personal injury lawyers show up on these AI search results. So it's a very exciting time, launching a brand new company, and I can't wait to see where this goes, okay? I mean, sky's the limit. You guys are gonna be following along for the ride. I am back on YouTube. We're gonna be talking about a lot of things now, okay? We're gonna still be doing car content, but we're also gonna be doing AI, how to start your own business, and how to evolve, how to grow, how to break free of just having a 9-to-5. Okay, so that's what you guys have to look forward to. You're gonna see my journey now as a founder of an AI startup, and I think you guys are gonna be blown away by what you see as this company grows, as we scale, and hopefully inspiring, you know, because when I started my POV content journey on YouTube, There wasn't much out there, and what I've seen now is a lot of people have blown up as well, just doing the same style of content. And I feel proud because a lot of those Discord members have taken delivery of G80s and G82s, and now they're on their own content journeys. And one thing I'll say is the pie is big enough for everyone. So when you think about starting your own entrepreneurship journey, starting your own YouTube or content journey, you really need to not think about it as, oh, everyone else is already doing it, so I can't do it. That's the complete wrong way to think about it. You need to think about what makes you happy, what makes a simple workflow productive so you can be consistent and just evolving and not worrying about, making small mistakes along the way. Some of the biggest challenges I've faced in my life is just self-doubt and spiraling when I would think about something that I couldn't control. But when you focus on what you can actually control, you develop momentum and you basically have small wins that add up over time. Okay, so when it came to starting a company, trust me, I have never created a startup company before. But growing that YouTube helped me meet Earth, and by putting our brains together, because he's the marketing guru and I'm the AI guru, all of a sudden we have an LLC set up, we have Google ads running, we have LinkedIn ads running, we have Meta ads running, and we're off to the races with this company. You guys are going to see a behind the scenes look of what it means to scale as a startup founder, and you're also going to see a ton of cool car content along the way. So hope you enjoy the rest of the video. I'm going to be back on YouTube, probably not daily, but do expect to see a lot of content updates on how the company is growing, what is going on in the world of AI, technology, reviews on cars, tech, the state of affairs in the world. I'm always authentic and true about that. I don't really sugarcoat the bullshit. And I can't wait to grow the channel even further and this business even further. And for those of you who are in the Discord, and if you're not in the Discord, let me tell you something right now. If you join the Discord, we are running a referral program for Northform AI. So if you bring us a customer who signs up, you will get paid $2,500 per customer that signs up to Northform AI, and there's no maximum cap. All right, so Northform AI, check it out. It's in the description below, the link to the website. Super excited to start the journey as an entrepreneur, startup founder, and show you guys what it means to scale and grow and the cars that are gonna come along the way. All right, so let's go, guys. All right, what's good, fam? We are at Phipps Plaza in Buckhead. Just got lunch with some friends. Ross is about to pick up his 488. So we're about to go to pick up his 488 with another friend, Badar, who also has a 488. Pretty crazy, not gonna lie. Feels all right.
Get it lowered?
Yeah.
Really?
Very low.
You lowered it. What did you put speaker?
Like a coilover system, basically.
Oh, is what you did to lower it through spring?
With titanium control arms. It springs with an adjustable perch, so you can raise it up and down. It's slammed.
You did the control, are you sure? To where it's like the wheels aren't bent out.
No,
the car is literally low.
Literally is lowered. Yeah,
you see what I'm saying?
Yeah. I have camber for track, but yeah. It's not for looking good. It's to actually drive better.
Right. The pivot on the G-forces.
It does. You'll tell when the car is taking a sharp turn.
Do that automatically, by the way, which is actually insane.
Ridiculous.
Like, the Ferrari is like totally like ready. It's like ready. But it still doesn't matter because that rear wheel slips.
It's crazy.
Michelin Pilot fucking Sport. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah. You have
it still slides. I'm like, what is going on? Like, stop.
With traction on?
Everything is on.
God damn, it's still sliding.
Traction off? You can't even
never
go
drive
anywhere.
with traction on.
You can't even go anywhere. But you know how they say you gotta like warm up the tires?
Yeah.
It's like maybe that scenario.
Oh, you have to literally
warm
get some
them up,
fucking tire burn it.
Then you can fucking stick. Then you're sticky.
That's what it is.
Love that pop, don't you?
I do.
You're like obsessed. That's just gonna fuck your shit up, by the way. I know that. I hope you know that. You haven't had a car long enough to know that, probably.
maybe.
What?
But I haven't kept the burble tune on a car that long. But at the same time, I can turn it off whenever I want.
Yeah, but it doesn't matter. You're just doing it. And it's like, you know, you have like sophisticated instruments that read pressure, oil,
All of it,
like
all
everything.
of it.
And you're like hurting that every time you do that.
Yep.
So you get misinformed data and shit. You don't care? Bro.
At this point,
kicked out of the racing car.
because of misinformed data.
Yeah, they're like, we know. See? That was in the trunk. Look. That was in here.
Yeah.
Before the mid-pipe.
There was an explosion before it got to the end pipe.
Not good. That's not good, bro. That meant it released air.
You just got PTSD from your Ferrari.
No, that released air from mid-pipe.
Yeah.
It's not good.
It's giving back pressure to the turbos.
No, it's not. That's called exhaust scavenging, and you're wrong. You mean, I think what you're saying.
No, it's giving an explosion back to the turbos, which is not good long term.
Slowing the blade down.
For the propeller blade.
No, you're hurting the propeller blade.
Are they on the right? Left? I think it's on the left.
Left. It's right here, actually, after Toyota. So it's literally right here. It's there. God, I gotta piss so bad.
Alright, I'll drop you at the front.
Yeah. I see the Ferrari already. You can drive up anywhere.
Let me get you the front where they actually have it. You want to go to the service?
Just here. The Ferrari's literally where that truck is right there. But if you want, I mean, look at cars. Give me a second because I want to understand something. Oh, I gotta piss so bad.
What do you think?
Let me piss and then I'll meet you.
Look at this, fam. 488 in front of us. Literally goals. Oh boy. Let's see who takes it, the Celica with no plates or the Ferrari. That's some Fast and Furious shit. Oh shit! Get some gas real quick, fam. You good, OG?
Yeah,
I see you. You big pimping.
No,
I'm trying to get.
you.
Oh no, no, G, that's you.
Man,
That's you, fam.